I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check minimum marks and required documents so you don't waste time later. Once confirmed, gather your scenic or B form, high school transcripts, and a recent passport-style photo. Next, create or verify an active email and mobile number. They'll receive login credentials and payment receipts. After that, open the official admission portal, choose Giki Test application, and begin a new candidate profile. This gets you into the system and ready for the actual form. Now complete the online application carefully. Fill personal and guardian fields exactly as on your scenic and transcripts, because mismatches cause delays. Once done, choose your preferred test date, city, and program choices in order of priority. Selection influences seat allocation, so be deliberate. Upload scanned documents in the specified formats and sizes, photos, scenic, and academic records, and validate each upload preview. Before you proceed to payment, review the summary page to catch typos or incorrect attachments. Finally, complete fee payment using the available methods: bank challen, debit/credit card, or approved e-payment, keeping transaction proof. Once payment clears, download and save the confirmation slip and later the admit card. Print a copy for test day. Make sure to check email and the portal for instructions about test center rules. If something goes wrong, payment not reflected or missing admit card, use your application ID and contact the admissions helpline immediately. They can reconcile payments or reissue documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.